All right, here we have a Kubota L2501 with a no start. I'm going to show you guys some reasons that it might not start. It's usually a safety switch. Sometimes it is this ground up here. I'll show you. They get corroded really bad down there due to the battery acid, but this tractor is nearly new, so I didn't think that was the cause. Over here we have a clutch pedal switch. You can actually unplug this one and bypass it. It's just got 2 wires. It has an adjustment here, so if it's not getting pushed in all the way, you can also adjust that. Another big thing I see is this neutral switch. This is your switch for the HST pedal. Sometimes these housings will come apart and you can simply just push them back together. You can look under there and make sure it's getting pushed in all the way. You can test it with a meter also. Has a seat switch on here. I think that's mostly in conjunction with the PTO switch, so you don't get up and fall off the tractor when the PTO is running. But the biggest problem I see, you come back here to this PTO switch, it's out in the open and they'll get hit with a stick or something. So I'll show you. This tractor will not start, or it wouldn't start. Watch it start now that I've been messing with it. No start. So what I'll do is reach back here and just take my fingers and push in on these two. Let's see, yeah, on these two micro switches while I try to crank the thing, and hopefully we can get it to crank. And it did. So now we know that our switches are probably good. We can adjust these little tabs on here or adjust our linkage, and that's what I'll do. I don't believe it's in the linkage, but I can probably just bend these little tabs back a little where they make a little more contact, and it will probably start. Not 100% sure. Oh me. No, that did not work. There is a little bit of play to these things, but anyways, you guys get the gist of it. This typically will cure the problem, but if you do too much now, you end up tearing the switch up. The little switches aren't super expensive, so I believe that'll get it. Let's see. There we go. Anyways, that's the main things that'll cause it. I mean, if that stuff don't work, you can look into the starter, make sure you got a good connection. I always check the fuses first. They're the cheapest, easiest part. But most of the time it's going to be in the PTO switch on these later model little tractors like this. Anyways, hope that helps you guys. See ya.